Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about binary search. Now, we're not actually going to be using Python because it's very complicated to program. I'm just going to be teaching the basic concept in this video. Now, you may be wondering why this is in the beginner programming series when it's not, well, I'm not even going to show you how to code it. That is because it's very hard to code, it's not beginning coding. However, it is a concept which is useful to know in any programming language, really. So let's get into it. Now, binary search only. So let's start, right. So binary search. Now, I'm not going to go really in depth this video. I made a separate series. We are thinking about expanding the YouTube channel a bit into a larger range of STEM topics. But enough on that. Right, let's talk about binary search. Now, binary search actually, this only works, it only works on an ordered list. So it only works, why is this in that color? So I don't really use this very often, so just kind of figuring out how it works, to be honest. Thickness, no, okay, that's not right. That's better, there we go. Okay. Right, so it only works with an ordered list. Now, my handwriting on a computer is terrible. Right, so let's say we've got a list 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9. This is our list right here. The way a binary search would work is, let's just chuck in one more number and let's just chuck 4 in there as well, just because. So the way the binary search would work is it would cut down. Okay, so let's say the item we are looking for. Let's say we're gonna look for the number 6. Okay, so that's the number we're looking for. We're looking for 6. What a binary search will do is it knows the list's ordered, so it'll cut down in the middle. Right here, it'll slice in the middle, and it'll basically say the item before this cut here that's the number 4. Now 4 is less than 6, so therefore it's got to be on the second half of the list. So then it will instantly eliminate the first half of the list. It'll instantly eliminate the first half of the list. It'll probably be better if I there we go. So it's eliminated that first half of the list. Next, it'll cut this part of the list in half. And then it will look, say 6. Is 6 bigger than 6? No. So it will eliminate the other half because that is bigger than 6. Now the program can't just see 6 here and stop. That's not how it works. It does have to finish. So it will cut in half again, and then it will look on the left. So 5. Is 5 bigger than 6? No. So it'll cut 5 out. So then of course it will know that this leftover number is in fact what we were looking for. And that's basically how a binary search works. It's quite a simple concept, just very hard to code. That's all I really wanted to show this episode. I'm sorry if this wasn't brilliant, but I just wanted to kind of get the idea into your head. So thanks for watching this, everyone. Make sure to leave a like if you did enjoy, and goodbye.